So I messed up in my previous live stream, but we are good. So today, this is part two of Speckle deep dive, and I wanted to test some things with the plugin today. So this live stream is focused on that. But I have this one thing which I wanted to share. If you are AC techie or if you are interested in, we need more people like you guys. And my goal is by 2030, we'll have some award as like, not as a Pritzker level, but something we need that. You guys are doing an impactful work and we should do something about it. Anyways, enough about my rant. Let's cut the chase. So, time for recursive loop. Okay. So my goal is, last time we left on docs where we discussed, what did we discuss? Anyone want to recap? I'm the only one speaking. Why did I do that? Okay. We covered about base object. We covered about kits transport. We went on the GitHub and saw like how they're doing chunking. A lot of cool software engineering. Today, first I wanted to show interoperability uh, with a custom stream, but before that, I want to try also Speckle Pie because we can do some cool stuff. If we get time, I would like to test this. Because then, if we can do this, we can like do in Google Colab, and anyone can use that script or test it. The tricky part is I have this live stream, and in the authentication, if I do it on Google Colab, I might expose my password. Will I? And so, anyways, so let's first step. You need to install Speckle Manager. Let me get my Speckle Manager. I'm a Mac user, and they got Mac support recently, so that's good. Okay, here we are. So no, I don't need to go into basic of creating account, logging in and stuff like that. So they have these connectors, and what I installed is for basic testing of this live stream. Excel, Rhino, and Grasshopper. I'm doing something on in Unreal. I should do and test this Unreal too later. But once you install that, let me get my Excel. Okay, it's so they have, okay, just to give some context. If you enter, they have some steps where you need to add the plugin. Come on, it's too loud. Yeah, so the only thing you need to do is before that, yep, go to add-in and get this cute little plugin. Okay, so I got that already. One step ahead. You know, today I went, I was serious. I tried to do some good prep for this live stream. You guys let me know how it goes at the end, if it's cool or not. So you get this. Oh, whoa. Let's do full screen. What did I do? I'm gonna embarrass myself today. Yeah. So you click on this guy and can add stream. Yeah, so this was the problem I was facing where it doesn't work. Speckle team, if you're listening, like sometimes it's not work. So I had to refresh it or something. Or yeah, reload it. That was the hack. Wait, it's not even working now. And the live stream has just started. This can't happen to me. Yeah. Yeah. Buggy. Okay, I shouldn't. Okay, first we want to add a stream. Speckle system. How to best implement. Yeah, let's first showcase how it looks like. So I had created a stream. Let's do box interrupt. Then if I click receive, so I created a box in Rhino, made a stream out of it. Now I want to use that box. Yeah, let's, sorry for this kiosk next. Let's do from the ground up. This is my Rhino and we want to create and test geometry and how it looks like. So I can create this simple tower and if you once you install that Rhino Speckle connector, you can directly call it from here. Oh, I was looking everywhere. It was here, second screen. And what should I do? Let's do a new stream. Box live stream test. So we created this guy and I want to send this object. So there are various options. You can send everything, layers, project information, but so If I do select this and click on select here, this shows one object. If I unselect this, it should do. Oh, has it preloaded it from my previous selection? There is no current selection. Oh. Ah, clear. Okay. So this won't do anything. Ideally, the workflow is you select here and then click here and see sending from Rhino. Super fast. This is super fast. Obviously, the geometry is also very small. So look at this guy. We have our speckled stream. This is our cube, or not cube, cuboid. Uh, let's see. These are the properties. We can filter by area. Okay, Speckle guys, don't be mad. I haven't verified my email. Okay. So these are the property. And what else we can do here? So now I want to retrieve it in grass. No, in Excel. So we add stream. This is the current stream. Click here. Then I click on cell. So this is the commit and filter and receive. So I think I'll make it big screen for now. So the last time we remembered, right? So it stores in key dictionary and the tree structure. Remember that blob and tree structure where content ID are related. So this is like the base. I hope, yeah, this is the base. And then you have the children. The children is our geometry, the box geometry B-rep. This is children's CID or content, yeah, content identifier, area, volume, type. Why do they have application? Because it's from Rhino, but do I use this anywhere? Anyways, and this rep has 12 children, and these are the children. So we bounding box x and y start and end coordinates, and the float is really heavy on memory. Base plane. These are the 4 parameters which we need to define the box, and then once we create that geometry, we get all this other info. The edges, there are 12 edges. Oh, why am I? Yep, 12 edges, and even there, CID start index. Wait, for B rep, they need points. So where are these points? Are these two indices which are referred here? No, I'm trying to understand here. So they mention about storing, and instead of doing another instance referring. So like ideally there should be only 6 for the boundings. So what I'm thinking here is if we go with this part, they just need 6 points. Oh no, 2 points, right? Actually, 2 points and a plane. And for each B-rep, or no, like B-rep edge, it needs each edge has 2 point. But now we need 12 edges. So how are they creating more points or references? That's what I'm trying to figure this out. Like this creation. Maybe it's directly they're getting it from Rhino, but if the points are created, where are they stored? And how are they referred to make the beat up edge? Anyways, okay. So start index 2, 1, 3. Interval start end. Yeah, so maybe this in we are not going at the point level here. We're just taking this interval. So we have 3 intervals, and here so we are just referring that interval, and 062, 042. Let's see which interval is 062, 042. Dang. Why there is no, oh, 062. So that edge was referring this to, but there was no 042 interval. Man, we need some better visualization here for tree. Yeah, Speckle feedback. There are like this graph chart of hierarchy, and that bubbles. If you click on the children, they expand. It would be good to have that kind of visualization. I'm imagining in future they will watch the live stream. Anyways, to do where were we? So yeah, this is their z interval. I got confused by this first. Yeah, it's primitive type. Yeah, wait, can we, if this, okay, what I'm trying to figure out here is if interval is its own CID, so this CID should be same as this CID. No, wait, is it? Yeah, good find. Nice. Okay. Yeah, man. So how are the indices created? And this guy, I still need to figure out later. So initially, I wait if there are. uh, I was just curious, like how are they naming indices? So we have. I wish I could sketch that, but I'm drawing a box. Imagine. So we have interval which define the box. We have 6 faces and 12 edges, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the number of indices should be 8, right? Yeah. So why they are going like 12 stuff like that? Man, I thought this will be fast, but Speckle type code data chunk. Finally. Ooh, this is the chunk we got last time. Oh, so each face, if I were to guess, face would have 4 elements. Why there are 6 elements? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, they are chunking all the faces into this group face, and that face. So this face. Oops. Come on, come on, come on. So this is a random face. And that face needs. Wait, come on. Why? Why one loop in this is. I wasn't expecting one. Don't they need like 4 indices? Something. So if edge needed 2, how come face has only 1? Maybe this indices is different than another chunk. So we are expecting 12. So they have created all the 12 faces into one chunk of foot 6 and another chunk of. Okay. So that's why maybe this is the most expensive geometry storage operation. And because if they start saving all the face, it's gonna be. And also in the display, like if I were to have like 500 faces, like the debugging and visualization is could like not that great. So chunking. The thing Afraid is they losing some data. Speed up loop. Okay, my bad. This is just BREF phase. In the BREF phase. Why do they need BREF loop? And where are other 6 phases? Come on. Okay. 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 Something is tricky here. Let me clean a bit. Doop, 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 doop. So we have 12 edges. That's one data in the edge. So question I have, is this a base object in itself, or I think, okay, my bad. We, we covered that. Every primitive has base, and you can append more property, create dynamic, have references. So we have B box geometry and user string. Are this like the property they're also saving display? That's a lot of storage. What is this value? So this ID should be they're referring to the box here. Should be same as our parent. No? No, like this. So geometry B rep and this is geometry box, obviously. They won't be same. $264. Dude, I'm just amazed. Like just for a simple box, there's so many data which is stored. And why do we have 264? Another data. Oh, this is getting confused. I wasn't expecting this 264 element. And that's okay. One question I have every time I click show more, is the data of all this already cached in my PC in Excel, or we are making calls to your server? I think like it's local. My memory of computer is now gonna, because I'm like all this in my memory, right? Okay, crazy, man. I thought we'll go complex today, but this simple box itself is tricky now. What is all this? Let's see if anyone watching has some answer. Save me from this. Uh, where are we going? Oh, we have. Hi Victor, what's up? And if you know why we have so many, sorry for this, so many data list for just go to the value, because we are not even creating those many vertices or edge. Like, okay, maybe I'm getting something. This is, no, not XYZ coordinate, right? So actually it's 2D. Then why do you have 2D and 3D, right? I was thinking like for whatever 8 points into, but still, like, it's a lot. Two. Okay, we'll figure it out. 1004. Okay, so these are the vertices value. Question is why 25? Mm-mm. I mean it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is, I can say, 8 vertices and all the vertex values stored as in this list. Okay, then surface value should be 6. Come on, 6 face has 4. So this is not making sense for some reason. Or maybe am I, oh, even the material is here. That's nice. Mm. Okay, one thing would be interesting is how this material ID is linked to geometry, or where is the linkage happening? Oops. Mm-mm. Dude. Okay, I think maybe 6, 36, and no, that's even not. Yeah, What is the stream? That's another question. Loop. All right, so let's get back to how it works is my initial goal was let's get the box geometry from Rhino and I want to modify in Speckle. Oh, modify it in Excel rather than going back to Rhino. So are you ready? Let's do this. So we will get, I just need to select a cell. Yeah, it's why the UI is not behaving. Earlier it was behaving very well. So these are filled. It asks I'm selecting all filled. Come on. How do I click enter, man? Let me reload it. Oh man, this is very buggy. This is not going well. Let me. Not even able to click. Is it my memory issue or what? Oh man. I should have saved that. Oh. So, okay. As a proof, I wanted to say, just to be clear, I was able to do that. So, before this live stream, what I did, I created this box geometry. This is from Rhino. And I imported the values in Excel and defined the X interval, and then it was able to create a new box geometry. But I had another feedback for another thing I wanted to show, which I wasn't expecting, but let's do one last try, man. Why are luck is not on my side today? Oh, clear web cache. Is that the solution? Ultimate. I should not have cleared web cache. Okay. Please, 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 please. Okay. Okay, so we did this box. I will show you what how we can do. So this is the remember a decade ago now how we did this box creation from Rhino some a while ago. So what we will do here is let's get all the data. Yeah. The thing is confusing. I like what are the elements I can so we can't call object level, but we can call the so if I click here it will do it. If I click here it won't do it. So that's also very oh, oh yeah. Dude, this UI is giving me hard time. Perfect. You know what? We are almost. So these are the various fields we saw. And what I did, or like let's say you want to modify geometry now directly from Excel. We can say, let's say have our y to minus 10 and 100. So the I'll first show you. Now we need to make this send and wait, come on. So ideally, if it shouldn't work, right? Because we change the x dimension, but like not ideally. What was my intuitive thinking? We didn't change the volume, area, other. So somewhere it should prompt me buggy, or somewhere it should go wrong, or unless they are just taking this input and those properties are computed in the end solution. So if I do changes here, maybe the Speckle viewer showed, which was I was surprised, but when I get it back in Rhino, Rhino should get confused that okay, these guys are giving me a different interval and but saying that wait, the volume is this, so something is not matching. But let's first set. So you do set range with headers. You click on send and fingers crossed. Are you guys ready? Ready for the big reveal? Oh, man, my Chrome. Help me find my Chrome. Just bear with me. I'm handling 50 tabs here. Okay, so let's go to our stream. Don't give me a hard time here too. This is a live stream. Whoa! Wait, something is. Didn't I say? Okay, maybe. Data sent successfully. But when I do check on Chrome, Means my stream. I don't see anything. Oh, 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 oh. Guys, save me. Oh, he needed a refresh. Come on. That can't be. Yeah. This is the stuff we sent. So is it computing now? Last time it was super easy, but oh, come on. Okay, something got messed up. So this is what we did from Rhino. This is from Excel, and yep, this is the Y limit we changed, right? Oh, oh. That's what like, I'm like, why am I not able to extend? Is everything going wrong today? Oh man, this was working. This live stream is cursed. But I didn't do anything on your server, Speckle. Not my fault. Good that I have proof that last time when I did on box interrupt, it was in X direction I changed. So this was the cube in Rhino. This was the new cube. So that's why is it still computing there? Did we get it? No. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Yet no one can stop us. So let's do on Rhino and call the new interval which we had. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, 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 okay. Rhino, where are you, buddy? Okay. Man, can I dock here? I can't dock this here. Okay. So, okay. Box into the live stream. This says, okay, we sent from Rhino, you received from Excel, blah, blah, blah. You wa- we want new data. This is data from Excel, buddy. So, yeah, even this was buggy. Maybe it's the Mac thing. Can't complain. They just released it. So, what do you guys think? Should it work or not? Something got inserted. So, this is the stuff we got. Oh, okay. So it didn't change anything. Let me send this new data. Look, Rhino is so fast. Why is then? Or maybe did it crash or something in Excel? It's not able to understand. Oh, dude, is this collaborative thing? Okay. So this is not working. Wait, sending from Rhino. Was that the Excel thing? It looks the same. So Excel didn't work. Okay. No, 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 no. I want to visualize this. Yeah, this is not working. But if we pull back from Excel, yeah, let's see and compare. Receive modified from Rhino. Yeah, even okay. Ideally, our last selection was this, so it should get okay. Couldn't match. All fields, all fields. Okay. So, which dimension did we change? Which is change some y dimension, right? So, yep. So y. If you can see, all we did in Rhino was changing these two parameters. But when we did the same from Excel, it got oh, the material is volume modify. No, but let's give a last try. So z minus 50. Send. Because of this, did I send successfully? Come on. Oh, no, it's not working. So, how are doing people interoperability from? Because that was all I wanted was to change interval. Didn't ask much. So if I were to do, how would I do that? Yeah, because I want to change this primitive, and if I just select and send this commit, the speckle under. So this is speckle type. Oh, you know what? What if we just because we can't visualize primitive, right, in the speckle viewer. So I if this works, that would be cool. So let's make. Can we can we visualize a plane here? So what I'm trying to do here is if I just get this speckle object, can I view it? Let's have one more backup. Let's visualize a face. Give me. Okay. So either one of these three, we should. No, this will fail. We need something independent. We don't have line. We don't have point. Maybe curve. That's a lot of data. Okay, let's do one thing at a time. So this, what I'm trying to do is, will Speckle commit understand? Uh, or maybe the header, is that what I'm messing up? Speckle interval type. Come on. Will I able to visualize? Maybe it's refresh time. This is the same geometry we are getting. Let's see this one. No displayable object. Okay. Can you display a plane? And that's the. I was just actually thinking uh, the same problem. Uh, plane. Give me a plane. Come on. Now it's not giving me any error. What's wrong with that? Is it display material issues? Give me some error. Okay. Oh, it's point, but dude. You know what? Let's do one try. Let's just get a l- l- line. I'm gonna send this. Thing. There is a dark FYI. Rhino line. So what I'm trying to do in Excel is, so every software have their geometry, like native geometry data structure. If I get Speckle geometry data structure, I can just modify that in Excel and do all the model visualization. But it's difficult, man. Let's see. This is my last hope. If we are able to visualize and modify line from Excel, this will give me hope. It's already 1 hour. Not good progress today. Oops. Oops. Do. Receiver. Rhino line. Okay. Yeah, that's also like, do I need all the properties here to create a line and visualize a line in Speckle Viewer, or I just need bare minimum, like just start and end? Oh, these are the 5 types. It's okay. Mm. Why do line have a Let's do everything for now. Oh, we should check the viewer too. If the viewer can display the line, otherwise all this effort will be in vain. Yep, hope is there. Hope is there. Okay, don't want to do crazy. All we need is, yeah. You know what? Even if I don't change anything, I should, yeah. This will give me info if I change few parameters and other parameters are not correlated. That's why Speckle model viewer is not making visualization. So, so same line, but from Excel headers, data sent successfully. Come on. Ooh, okay. Good news. Good news. And now start. Okay, I'll make a full screen. Sorry. I just want to modify. Man, the line also has a bounding box. Oh, I recall the mention in the documentation. So what I need is, okay, yeah, let's just change the Z coordinate to 10.05. So, uh, I should have a live poll. How many guys think this will work? Modified line, but from Excel. Fingers crossed. Showtime. Yeah. Modified line from Excel. Oh, I think looks. Yay. Okay. Just so we change the Z. Okay. Now I feel happy because wait, where is the bounding box? Come on, the bounding box here. So maybe it just got confused in the box. Primitive type. Okay. Now this will be interesting experiment. Uh so we change the Z coordinate. So the viewer knows, but logically now the length should be different. So when I call the properties back and compare, we should, yeah, that's the feedback I wanted to share. So because then the properties and geometry is not correlated and that is buggy. So what I mean here is, let's say receiver modified line but from Excel. So all we did here was change this parameter, but this was from old line. So if Speckle, when I commit, recomputes all this rest geometry, this parameter should be different because like this is not making sense with even. So it was 187 when Z was 0. So it should be higher length. Oh no. Okay. Receive, filter and receive. Come on. All fields. Oops. Okay. Now this is a problem because, oh, you know what? Yeah, because this doesn't make sense. The property and geometries are not related. But what if I call my Rhino guy and again use the same commit? If Rhino is computing it the right way, then the length should be different. So yeah, I'm just trying, where is the compute happening? Because I'm pretty sure Excel doesn't do the compute of the property. Let's delete this guy for to avoid any confusion. Where is my Speckle? Man, Speckle UI is difficult here to dock. Oh, here we go. We need to, yeah, shouldn't this be above? Oh, because I saved it. Okay, so all I want is the new line. Data modified line, but from Excel. So it should create a new layer and maybe save that geometry. Ooh, cool. I don't have that orbit. I have orbit. Wait. Yeah, yeah, it's there. For a second, I was like shocked. What did I see? Yeah, there is some Z difference. So what I want to do is if I send this line and again check the length, will it make a difference? Rhino, check if Rhino is doing property compute send. Phew, 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 phew. Are you guys ready? So so check if Rhino is doing compute. Comment. I know no one is watching, but comment if you think the property would be different. Or comment even if you don't think property is not different. Uh, all fails. Whoa. I I think. Whoa. Wait, it's different. Yeah, yeah, yeah. At first I was like, not major. The reason I got that, like I was expecting the same. Oh, is it because we didn't change application ID? It got confused. Yeah, the reason I got like it was right because here I already saw the change. Okay, so this is tricky. Does that mean even if I modify all the geometry parameters in Grasshopper, get all the compute of geometry related properties, I need to again go back to Rhino Revit? Hey man, this is a good question. I should ask Speckle. I should post on their forum, but you know, life has been crazy. Okay, this was one assignment I wanted to do after a lot of hustle. I think we did it. Thanks, Richa. I saw your coordinate comment. Okay, one last thing. I don't know. Yeah, I'm already. I wanted to do the Speckle Pie setup and do in collab. Let me. Wait, is this? Hmm, why does this dock looks different? But anyways, Speckle Pie. Uh, yeah, I was thinking. I can do this. It has been a while. Like, yeah, I should do some creative AI live stream. Yeah, after multimodal models, it has been a while. Collab. Okay. Let's close this. If you are in an environment, yeah, this is what, or whatever your host, clients. Can I use my public profile? If I just use Speckle XYZ. Oops, that was a weird pose, but yeah, this authentication. Oh, yeah, man, Speckle client auth token. Yeah, that's. And this is another documentation. Okay, playing. Refill you. Yeah, that's what I remember. I think in AC tag, Hestia is the client. Dude, now, yeah. Should I? Oh, I can stop sharing and then hide it. How committed I am for to execute this. So yeah, this. Oh, oh. Did they do anything? Actually, okay, so that looks like an old doc. All I need. All I need. Okay, but if this doesn't work, I'm pretty sure the next step will won't work too. So all I need to do is just log in with this. Oh, log in with auth token. So even this is more easier. I should create a dummy account, right? Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, I can create that auth token. I can also remove that art. Okay, yeah, guys. I don't know how should I continue this stream next week, but I wanted to discuss about like even their GraphQL stuff. It's pretty cool, pretty sick. Uh, Yeah, Speckle GraphQL playground. Yeah. Uh, but docs. This is their GraphQL schema. Yeah, this is way more efficient than REST API calls. You shouldn't quote me on this. You should do some check, but from my knowledge and intuition. Yeah. So ideally, we don't have anything, right? So this should throw an error. Or this should do nothing because first, wait, what's the error? Unexpected name. Yeah, I'm not knowledgeable, but I want to learn. Or it's just ID. What if I just, yeah, query. What did this do? Again error. Unexpected name. Okay. What expected this? Okay. Commit created, and it will require another input. Stream ID. Oh, okay. If we give our stream ID, yeah. Where is Speckle XYZ? This is our stream ID, right? But where should I input this? Like that? No, doesn't feel right. Okay, what's the error? That's what I'm trying to do here. Oh, maybe it's directly the input, right? This also doesn't feel right. Oh man. You see, I'm learning. And I know the higher level logic. I don't know. Where were we? Should we create that auth settings? Profile setting. Oh, okay. Whoa, did I? Yeah, I should. Oops. You know what? I'll delete everything for you guys. I need to delete all the time. Anyways, what would worst happen? I don't know. The worst case scenario. I should be prepared for worst case scenario. Come on, come on. Okay. This should work, right? Right. Beep, 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 beep. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah. Fingers crossed. None type object has no attribute token. Account. Okay. But this should work. Maybe I'm referring to the wrong. So I want this Speckle. If you're in the environment without account. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Here, right? Oh, okay. I should not mix docs. Oh, authenticated. Perfect. Let me remove all. Yeah, why do they have this in first place if they want to use this? Mm-mm-mm. What else? Now we are in momentum. Guys, now we will do cool stuff. New stream ID. Sorry, let's create a new. We don't want new. Now we see. Yeah, we can. Let's just follow this one. Stream from Google Colab. So we create the stream. Here. This is our base object. I'm afraid is there more lines to this? This is what I want. Okay, test commit test. Don't they have like example? Yep. Boom. Speckles. This is not what I was expecting. All right. You know what? We'll just follow this. So we are creating a base, we're getting a point, and initializing that. Straightforward. Sorry, you guys are seeing me copy pasting. Let's send a block to the server. Do this. Let's identify the object of the stream. Ultimately, yeah, let's try. Here's the data you want is okay. Ta-da, ta-da. That's right. How could everything be so easy? Oh, this is where the business model kicks in. Either you need your own server or you need Speckle server, which you need to pay. Why can't I access my public profile? No? Or maybe I, I tried to be over smart. Yeah, yourserver.com or whatever the. What if I stream wrapper? How similar is to receive base? This is the object back from the transfer. Any URL to a stream will be passed by the stream wrapper. Mm, you know what? Memory transport, base object serialization. Chunkable, nice. All I want in life for this experiment is to get my line from my commit. But this, if you have a local account for the server, again expecting some error. Let's get down. Let's get down. Uh, 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 uh. Yep, yep. Can we do this? Couldn't order. Oh man, why is this? Can we do like on that Hestia.speckle? But then it doesn't allow me to. Why is it only retrieving information also is so challenging? Oh, it's throwing out something in the wild. So guys, if this doesn't work, maybe we should do no local account. Yeah, what is this dump actually? Should I make a local account here? Oh, okay. This is depreciated and this doesn't work. And no local account found. Self dot. Wait, I have the account. Why? Possibly could not have Speckle client. But I just authenticated. Guys, this is it. I can't move further. And next time I'll figure out. Yeah, we could make some cool geometry directly from but directly from Python, but yeah, let's see. Thanks if you watch in future. Appreciate all the stuff. Bye bye.